Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review on this do-it-yourself toy set for kids. Now the company did send it over as part of compensation for this video, but here are my honest thoughts. So my kids had a heck of a time playing with it. I'm going to show you that in a second, but first let's show you what comes inside the box here. So you get all your pieces for building things, all sorts of blocks and knickknacks and screws and wheels and all sorts of stuff like that. It also comes with an instruction manual. It comes with a drill that goes forward and backward, so you can pull things out and screw them in. You've got pliers here. Let's see if I can find something to apply. There we go. This will pull it right out. So specific tools for specific functions, all part of the set, and it comes with a little ratchet here, and also, of course, a toolbox. So let me show you what it was looking like with my kids playing with it. Here's my daughter showing me the drill, having a fun time. My son had a great time screwing things in, putting things together, just experimenting, playing with it. He built a robot here, as you can see, and had a lot of fun with that. It's on wheels. Now, that was in the instructions. And next, he was going to build a pirate ship, and that's what he's kind of showing me. He's going to take it apart and put it all together. So, yeah, he had a great time doing this. And if you think that you want your kids maybe doing something other than playing with a tablet or watching TV, doing something productive for their mind and their hands, building something, this is probably going to work for you. So check it out today.